guys, welcome to another vlog of unboxing. It's been a while. Sorry I've been away. Well, because I love the Boyz, and the Boyz are part of my K-pop stands. I went to see them in Macau on the 31st of August, and they just blew my mind. They are the kings of performance. They're so in sync. Their energy on live is just out of this world. They're so handsome. Like, each one of them is really handsome. All 11 boys are exceptionally handsome. So, see what it has. They were amazing. So they use casting director from drama director, and he directed. Ooh, okay. So what do we have here? Okay, here we have the CD. Okay, the Boyz, yay! That's the CD. And then I like a trigger. Okay. And ooh. That's a fancy little stickers! I love stickers. Okay, this is Bite Back. I'm gonna bite back. Bite Back. Such a sexy song. I wish they would release a video for it. Okay. And this is Rewind. Rewind was a nice song. This is, I think this is it this bad boy, I think. And we have Trigger. And we have They See Me Dream. I think Kevin's vocals shine in this. Okay. Oh, look at that! I pulled a Sunwoo! Yay! Sunwoo poster. Like postcard size. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. Sunwoo is my bias. Well, my second bias. I think my first bias is Chuyeon. But yeah, I love Sunwoo just as equal. Oh my god, look at that. He's so handsome. Look at him, Emiri Prince. Oh, he's so beautiful. Sunwoo. Oh no! Oh no, I spoiled it. I spoiled it. Oh, that's really cool that they put like the photo cards in there. I got Hagneon. Is it Hagneon, right? I always do not know how to pronounce his name. And Jacob. I don't think I pulled Jacob before. I don't remember. Yay. I pulled. Oh, he's so handsome this comeback. I'm so happy that he's back. He took a little break. And Angel Jacob. Okay, let's look at the photo book. Okay. Oh, we were just talking about Kevin. Kevin looks exceptionally beautiful in the blonde hair. And he's grown so much muscle as well. Yeah. He's very dedicated. Oh, my Chuyeon. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so beautiful. Look at those eyes. He's so beautiful. Oh, Chuyeon. He's so beautiful. Oh my god. I wish I pulled a Chuyeon photo card, but it's okay. I love my Boyz. I think I have already pulled Chuyeon before in previous albums. But this one is just so beautiful. Oh, he's so beautiful, Jacob. So at ease and peaceful. The way he talks. So cute. I love the song. And of course, New. He's so beautiful. Okay. Oh, it's my bad. My bad. He's so beautiful. He's got muscular as well. All the boys have become muscular this comeback, actually. That's New. Q with the platinum hair. He actually had his platinum hair in the concert in Macau. It was easy for me to spot him from afar. Him and Kevin. It was very easy for me to spot them. I spotted Chuyeon as well. And for some reason I spotted Jacob a lot because he was wearing sleeveless. tops, and his arms were just like, whoa. Hagneon as well. Oh my god, look at him. He's so handsome. So handsome. Oh, I loved watching the jacket for this one. Ah. Oh, now that's Hagneon. He's so handsome. He's such a sweetheart. I love watching his travel vlogs. Did you guys see that one when he went to Switzerland? It was so nice. And Eric. Energy boy Eric. Oh, the bad boys. Of the boys. Oh, Sunwoo. He's such a baddie. I hope he's okay after what happened to him. That was quite unfortunate. I really hope nothing happens to him again or any other idol. It sucks really how there are people like that, behave like that. Okay. Our beautiful boys, they bring us so much happiness, right? We should be able to protect them and not abuse them or treat them as if like they're little pets. Yeah, it's not fair. They're working hard. Okay, oh, that was the Yoonwoo. I know Yoonwoo is very popular. Oh my god, whenever he came on screen, the girls just screamed. Good lord. Oh man, he's very handsome in person. All of them are really handsome. This is the song lyrics and the credits and all of them here. That's it. This is the credits, and this is like a group poster, and here, all of them as well. They're so handsome. I like the black and white concept. I think it suits this era so much. Okay, there you have it, guys. That was the Boyz Trigger unboxing. I pulled Sunwoo poster and Hagneon and Jacob. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Short but sweet. Okay, annyeong!